Can I help you? My nigga, I said, can I help you? Why are y'all staring at me, bro? I'm chilling, bro. I don't feel like making no videos today. I'm chilling, bro. I'm on my phone. Y'all don't be paying attention to me anyway. I give me all this free game and you don't care. So guess what? I'm done. Get out my face, bro. I'm gonna be chilling on my phone. Mind my business, bro. Did I stutter? Leave. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Campbell. We're back with another video. Now, first and foremost, if this is your first time on my channel, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button as well as turn on that notification bell to be notified anytime that I drop some content. And while you're at it, please leave a like down below. It helps the algorithm, helps my channel continue to grow, and it pushes my content out in front of more and more people. Bro, I'm waiting for you to hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting. And like the video, because I'm not doing no more videos. I ain't recording no more videos till you like it, until you hit that subscribe button. And you better turn on the notification bell, and guess what? I'm still not saying nothing. We can do this all day, my boy. I ain't got nothing to do. There we go, thank you. Now, if you clicked on this video, I'm assuming, one, you either love me, you love my beautiful face. Two, you think I got a very seductive, sexy voice. Three, your credit is either trash or you just want to help repair it or fix it or make it better ASAP. Well, regardless of what your reasons for clicking on this video, you're in the right place, you feel me? Your boy Meech will take care of you, but it will cost you. It won't cost you no money, but it's gonna cost you a like or a sub. Because I'm telling you, if you don't like this video, you don't hit that subscribe button, I will find out where you live at. And guess what? When I find out where you stay at, it's up. Because anybody know me, I know how I get down. But 1,000 pieces are sitting right to your door, and I'm telling you, paying for it in cash. Play with me if you want to. But if you want to fix your credit ASAP, I got a few tips that might be able to help you and point you in the right direction. First things first, understand that there is no quick fix to credit. Any of these credit companies and any of these places taking your money, telling you that we're going to fix your credit overnight, and within 30 days, your credit score is going to go from a 500 to a 700. They are capped out. They are lying to you. You might as well let them put on a mask, strap up with an AR-15 and put it right at your noggin, because they are robbing you in cold, hard cash. There is no quick fix to credit. Now, granted, part of that concept is true. It's gonna cost you some money to fix your credit, but you don't have to depend on these people telling you and feeding you a whole bunch of BS and lies, telling you they're gonna just like fix your credit overnight. One thing about life you gotta understand is just like credit is, 9 times out of 10, bad things don't occur overnight. So you didn't get in this hole overnight. If you're obese or you're overweight, you didn't get that way just from going to sleep one day, woke up the next day obese. Same thing with credit. You didn't go to sleep with an 800 credit score and wake up with a 400. But not overnight. It is, you can mess up your credit quickly, but not overnight. Think about the time it took to damage it or to mess it up. It's probably gonna take twice as long to fix it or to point yourself in the right direction. So you have to be patient first and foremost. Understand that it's a process and it is gonna cost you, because it's gonna cost you in terms of credit cards, paying off bills, doing what you have to do to make some of your delinquencies go away, paying off some of that old debt, or figuring out how to write letters. Now, a lot of the information in this video is about to be self-explanatory. Another point I will make is pay your bills on time. That is, I can't tell you anything simpler than that. Pay your bills on time. The more you pay your bills on time, I don't think you understand it, that makes up 30% of your credit score alone, on-time payments. So if you have good on-time payment history, not only raise your credit score, but you're more likely gonna put yourself in the good eyes in terms of lenders. Lenders wanna give people money that they know is gonna pay them back on time. Now put yourself in their shoes. Would you lend somebody money who you know for a fact, based off their track record, they're either not gonna pay you back or they're gonna pay you back not on time? How likely are you to give them money or to lend them anything, knowing that you're not gonna get it back on time or when you tell them it's due? You gotta understand, people just like us, they think just like we do. So if they know that, hey, if you got terrible on-time payment history, they're probably not gonna be so gun-ho to give you some money. Secondly, your credit utilization. You gotta keep your credit utilization low. And that's why I always recommend credit cards with either high limits, high balances, or just having a mixture of credit. If you have a total of $10,000 of available credit, it's a lot easier to keep that under 30% than it is to keep $100 under 30%. You feel what I'm saying? So if you got a $10,000 available credit, then yeah, you can spend up to $3,000 a month and still your credit score to not be affected at all, in a negative way anyways. But if you only got $100 available credit, then yeah, you spend over $30, then you're gonna have to pay it back before that statement is due so that it doesn't report, mess up your utilization for the month. That'd be another thing. Just trying to get as many credit cards as you can, whether it be secured or unsecured. I'm not against secure credit cards, especially if you have like the money on hand and you have access to a good paying job or just like a lot of money at the moment, go to a bank and say, hey, I got $5,000. Let me get a secure credit card. They're gonna take that $5,000 and they're gonna make that your credit limit. So using some of that cash and that free money that you have sitting around is gonna benefit you. It's gonna help raise your credit score. But that's why I said at the beginning of this video, it does take money to fix your credit. Like, anybody tells you to just like fix your credit for free, I'm not saying it's not possible. That's a much slower process and it's gonna take a lot longer. So if you want to get approved for new homes, new cars, higher limit credit cards, just things of that nature, then yeah, you're gonna have to spend a little bit of money. Another thing to understand is your credit history. Like, the average length of credit history is extremely important as well. Now, this is something that no amount of money can necessarily fix. Well, I said this in one of my older credit videos. Revolving credit, let's say like a credit card maybe that you don't use anymore, but you've had it for like 4 to 5 years. My best advice would be to not pay it off and then close it. Keep it on your credit report. That credit card is giving you credit history even if you're not using it. The minute you close that account out, it's gonna take down the average length of your credit history, and that's gonna hurt your score. It's gonna impact your score and it's gonna lower your score. So that's how I will always recommend people. I don't care if you got a credit card or something on your credit report that's reporting that maybe is old, that you don't care about, or that you don't use. Just keep it on there, for the simple fact is it's gonna help improve your score, and it's not hurting nobody anyways. If you got a credit card that you don't use, how's that hurting you just keeping it in your wallet or keeping it at the house or in a random drawer or your purse, your car, whatever? Like, it's not hurting you. Just leave it on your credit report. The average length of your credit history is extremely important, and that stuff is gonna help you in the long run. And last but not least, just having a different mixture of credit. We've talked about this again, but this is something that's gonna help you build your financial profile and get your credit like in check a lot sooner. The more mixture of credit that you have, the better that you look to lenders and to different people who have access to a lot of money, the banks, for example. I don't understand that they don't like to give money to people who need it. They want to give money to people who don't need it. So if you have a different mixture of debt and different mixture of credit in the terms of maybe loans, credit cards, like vehicle finances, all these different things, home, mortgage loans, like all these different things are gonna help your credit score in the long run, just having a different mixture of credit. If all your credit history is simply just coming from credit cards, it's not gonna look as good as maybe somebody who only has one credit card, but they also got a car payment and maybe even a mortgage or a home loan as well. A mixture of credit is always gonna help you, because when lenders, they're gonna say that, you know what, no matter what type of debt we throw at them or what type of situation they're in, they're gonna be able to handle it. You could be great with credit cards and then terrible with car payments, or vice versa. So they want to see that no matter what, you can handle your business no matter what type of debt it is. Be in a better position to get approved for much higher loans and things of that nature. And then those things, and you then in turn take some of these loans and invest into some crypto, some NFTs, or maybe into an LLC, a business, whatever, and then you can take their money, give yourself like a little jump start and start making even more money. This video was super to the point, super basic, super simple. A lot of this information you may have or may not have already known, but it's credit. I don't care if it's 1922 or 2022, bro. Like, credit, the information about credit hasn't changed a whole lot in the years, like, so I'm just trying to give y'all a different video, a different perspective, and push the same content out again. I've made a credit video before, and if you haven't watched that video, pay attention to this one. It's the same amount of information. It's pretty much the same tips, just given to you a slightly different way. So if you found this video educational, informative, entertaining, or just useful in any way, shape, or form, do me a favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on that notification bell to be notified anytime that I drop some content. And while you're there, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm, helps my channel continue to grow, and it pushes my content out in front of more and more people. With that being said, I just want to say I thank y'all, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all back into this video.